Hello everyone, this is a video on how to create moving averages in R. You're going to need two packages for this tutorial. You're going to need the zoo package in order to create a data frame, a sample data frame with dates and in a score column, and then the dplyr package for your rolling average. All right, so I'll go ahead and call my packages. And then here I'm going to just set a sample data frame that we can use. All right, so we'll say from January 1st, 2022 through 4/1/2022. And then we'll set, the second column would be your scores, randomly selected from 1 to 99. All right, so we have the first 10 rows of our data frame. And to set the rolling averages, in this tutorial example, we'll add an additional column that will have our moving averages. So you'll see here, you see we're going to have the roll mean, right, which is our function for the moving average. The x would be equal just to this column here, right, the actual number. K would be how many days you'd want to go back. We're going back 7 days, but you could modify this by just switching the 7 to 5 or 10. All right, and we'll pull in the first 15 rows. You can see here, we now have an additional column that has our moving averages. All right, thank you for watching.